Innovation. It is an exploration for better living and development. It is a quality breaking through the original cognition and seeing the wider world. It is the happiness through untold hardships, realizing the unreachable dream. The goal, it is a firm belief and an assumed adventure in the long river of the future. The mind will be washed by faith again and again, constantly hollowed out and filled with new wisdom. This is not only calculation, assembly and verification of data, but also philosophical speculation and scientific practice. We look for the best technology combination for intelligent drilling operations. Like creating an art piece, use the imagination of the artist, the rigor of the engineer, and the patience of the gardener, giving life to every component. Make the cold equipment strong, agile, precise, and smart. Let collaboration and learning become the new norm. Every unforgettable moment turns into a driving force for growth. Just now, we are cheering for success. The next moment, we initiate a new revolution, like the developing of nucleus in countless collision, fission, and fusion, making new starting point again. In the dark, persisting in pursuit of the faint light, believing in the miracle, we unite and march forward, achieving the ultimate perfection. The ultimate then becomes the new origin. Constant questioning and constant sculpting creates outstanding work. The closer to the goal, the more we challenge ourselves. What is the ultimate best? We keep asking. Hope and despair alternates between sunrise and sunset. We will never stop searching, because every drop of effort makes it brighter and dazzling. Looking back, we see our sweat, tears, frustration, and perseverance. When dreams come true, we take no time to enjoy, but immediately start the next journey. You may often wonder, what will the future be like? JJC would like to explore it with you.